Welcome to Borden's Bakes. Our new recipe is cloud bread. If you're following a low carb lifestyle, cloud bread is the perfect choice. It's low carb, low fat, gluten free and grain free. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you love our recipe. So let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of seasoning. In this recipe I used half a teaspoon of garlic and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Next, a half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, 57 grams of low-fat cream cheese, and lastly, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Start by lining your baking tray and set to the side. Preheat your oven to gas mark 2, 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Split the egg whites and the egg yolk into 2 different bowls and set aside the yolk for later. Add your egg whites to a large bowl. Then add your cream of tartar. Whisk both ingredients together with a hand or stand mixer until it forms white peaks, roughly about 5 minutes or so. When it sticks to the spatula, like so, it's ready. In a separate bowl, add your cream cheese and whisk it until smooth. Next, add the egg yolk one at a time until fully combined. Then add your salt. Lastly, your seasoning. Whisk all ingredients together until fully mixed in. With a spatula, carefully fold in the white peaks to the mixture. Take your baking tray and paper and spoon the mixture onto your tray in small circles. Place your cloud bread in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Perfect. If you loved our recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.